Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, send me some nice comments. I always love your nice comments and I greatly appreciate them. Most of all, subscribe and share. We're going to show you how to change an AC compressor on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Remember, you can't break anything that's already broken, so you might as well try to at least fix it. If any other man can do it, I'm sure you can do it too. So we're going to change the AC compressor on this Jeep Grand Cherokee, but this is going to be the same on your Dodge Ram with 4.7. More than likely Dodge Ram with 3.7 if you have one of them. Them are kind of rare. Jeep Commanders 4.7, 3.7. Dodge Durangos 3.7, 4.7. Jeep Liberties 3.7. Yada yada. Anything that has this V6 and V8 in it is going to be the same darn way. Yes, folks. Your Jeep Grand Cherokee is the same as a Dodge Durango. Anyways, so first we started off by removing all the Freon, if there was any Freon in it. You use an evacuator for that. You're supposed to collect it per EPA standards. 13 millimeter nuts. Take off these two nuts right here once you got your fluid evacuated. We're going to remove our serpentine belt, and we're going to remove approximately 3 to 4 bolts out of the compressor to take it off of the vehicle. I'm also going to make a video on showing you how to fill this thing up. I recommend you watch this whole video. Canadian Clay's going to come in and tell us about taking the serpentine belt off and give us a little tip on serpentine belts in general. Okay, here's the deal, This here bolt right here is a 15 millimeter. That thing is going to help you get it out of there. We're going to use a serpentine belt tool here, You don't have to have a serpentine belt tool, but it sure will help, Now, the one thing I want to point out to you fellers there, is that whenever the back side of the belt, if the belt runs over the back side of a pulley that's flat, it will run on the flat side of the belt, So if you're ever stuck in a situation where you can't Google, and you can't get the belt routing, you just look and see at the belt and figure out how it goes, It's pretty simple. Most of the time I can figure them out, without even looking them up, So we're going to go ahead, take this belt off here, When you want to take the belt off there, you turn it counterclockwise, and then that'll loosen up the belt for you, So I don't have to worry about routing. I just stuck the belt behind there and left it on all the other pulleys. And I can take my serpentine belt tool back out. Okay, now we're going to loosen up the two 15 millimeter bolts. One there and one right down there. You can see it down there holding the pump. And then there's a 13 millimeter bolt that goes right here, and we're going to take that out. To replace the plug, we're going to slide over this red tab till it stops and it won't pull out anymore. Then we're going to push on that clip right there, and sometimes with these clips you have to push them in before you pull them out, and then that'll actually let the tab pop up like that. That's pretty good for just about any vehicle whenever you're working on them. So then I took my pry bar and I pried it right between the alternator there and the AC compressor, and now it's loose and you can pull it out. So put it back in there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like, send me your nice comments. Most of all, remember, you can't break what's already broken, and if somebody else can fix it, you can fix it too. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair. If you want to reach out to me on Facebook, you're more than welcome to. I'll be happy to answer your question if I can. Send me your nice comments, subscribe and share. I greatly appreciate you guys. Have a great day.